Hello and welcome back everyone. It's your girl Cassandra back with yet another video. Today's video is sponsored by a company called RPGSHOW, and I'm going to just be showing you what they sent me as far as packaging. But before I forget, if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you follow me on Instagram and all my social media. And yeah, I will link all the information in the description box below. But basically, this is a ready-to-wear wig. This is a headband wig, and they sent this nice color. The wig actually came in like this garment bag, which I thought was super cute. And they sent a ton of different head wraps and headbands to help conceal the band on the actual wig. But like I said, this is a ready-to-wear headband wig, so you're just gonna pop her on and keep it moving. And I'm not exactly sure what color this is. It just said in the description like the picture, but I really like this copper cinnamon type of situation that we have going on here. So I'm just gonna let you guys see the curls up close, and then I'm actually gonna finish this at the house. So I'm gonna be panning out in just a second, but I just wanted to show you guys how the wig looks. And here comes the elastic band part that goes in the back. And this is what you use to keep your wig secure. This video in the salon, but then I actually had to come home to finish this. So real quickly, I wanted to show you guys this RPGSHOW wig that I was sent. It is a super easy ready to wear wig, and I'm gonna throw all the details and the specs in the description box below. But they describe this as like your get up and go type of wig. You can go to Walmart, you know, you're going to the office real quick, this, that, and the third. This is like the ideal wig if you just have somewhere that you have to get up and go really quickly. So really quick, I'm going to pop this wig on, and I'm going to show you guys how the construction looks. So it has the band on the outside, and it has like an adjustable strap. So I'm going to go ahead and pop her on. There is combs, and there's also an adjustable strap in here as well. I want to show you guys that up close, but I'm just going to pop her on. So I already have my wig cap. I'm just going to put my head down, pop this wig on like so. And then you can use the strap that comes around it to do the perimeter. They said you can put this in a ponytail. So let me zoom out a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and just pop her on and show you the different ways to rock her. So like I said, the outside is made out of like this mesh material. I put the thing in the back like so. Now I'm just trying to get this band right here. This is just to help keep the wig secured, and then they also sent a whole bunch of cute little headbands that you can throw on to help blend the unit out as well. So I'm just going to be clipping this up. You have one side here. So this is how the wig looks on. As you can see, she's pretty secured. And then what you just want to do is take the elastic band that they're giving you and put that around. So I'm actually going to fix this little strap. And you can actually pull it up into a bun or ponytail, however you see fit. Just want to make sure this is on right. I feel like I twisted it around slightly. So yeah, this goes facing down. This side is facing up. So I'm just going to adjust that so it's nice and snug. Oh wait, I'm just gonna pull this right in front. So now I'm just gonna throw on some of these cute little headbands. It's the first one. And you basically just use the headbands that they include in the kit just to cover up the line in the front so it doesn't look too wiggy. And then I want to play around with styling this. So this is how she looks down. All I have to do to conceal this band, you don't want it to be too thick, so I'm just going to scrunch it up just a tiny bit, move this forward, and then I'm just going to put this on top to kind of conceal that, because this wig does come with a band. It's ready to wear. So this is how she looks fresh out of the packaging. I'm not going to put any product in it because I really like how the curls look. I really like how the curls look straight out of the packaging. You just want to make sure you're using that headband to your advantage. You're just using it to cover up anything that might be showing. This is no clips, guys. This wig is super secure. All I'm using is the little band that comes around it. Like this John, super snug. I like how these keep the wig in place too. So I'm just gonna reposition. And always put a wig cap on just to keep my hair protected. You definitely don't have to wear one. They sent me a ton of headbands. I'm not gonna put all of them on. I'm just gonna put on my face. I like this black one. I really do like this red maroon looking color one, and I do like this brown one. If I was wearing this wig, I would probably wear this one, which is this red one and this brown one, only because they're a little bit thicker, so you don't have to worry about trying to blend the perimeter of your wig as much. It's gonna blend because this is super thick, so it's gonna cover up that band. You can definitely wear this too, but if you wear this, I would definitely wear these. So these two I will wear up because it's a thicker band. But if you plan on wearing your hair down, I would definitely wear these three. And the reason being is because the back of the band is kind of thin. So if you plan on pulling your hair up, this is not going to cover the black band. So you just want to keep that in mind. But they definitely give you some options in case you're running out the house, you need to throw something on real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this pink one on because she's cute. It's front. Oh, she's cute. This actually looks way better than I imagined. Okay, headband. If you see me looking down, it's literally because I have my mirror down on the ground. I'm trying to make sure I don't have to run back and forth too much. This actually matches with my shirt, so I'm feeling this one. You guys know I'm a pink and purple lover, so anything those colors, definitely my fave. And I like the fact that these have this little sequins in it. Super, super cute. You could definitely wet this if you wanted like a more wet and wavy look, but I'm actually loving the big hair look. This is giving me like Spice Girl, Scary Spice. And I just feel like, yes, honey, yes, security. Yes, honey. I'm loving these colors. I've never worn a color like this before that has these lighter colors in it. Really pretty. I like how full the wig is too. I don't feel like it's gonna look crazy.